हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने हमारे करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर में पोटेंशियोमीटर पढ़ा। प्रिंसिपल of potentiometer is the potential difference between any two points on a potentiometer wire is directly proportional to its corresponding length. That means VAP is directly proportional to L. That is VAP is equals to K times of L, where this K is termed as potential gradient. इसके दो यूजेस है। फर्स्ट, we can determine the ratio of EMFs of the two cells, that is E1 by E2. Second, we can determine internal resistance of the cell is how much. E1 upon E2 फाइंड आउट करने के दो अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं। फर्स्ट वे इज बाय यूजिंग इंडिविजुअल सेल मेथड and second is by using combination cell method. By using individual cell method, we can determine E1 upon E2 is equals to L1 upon L2, and by using combination cell method, we can determine E1 by E2 is equals to L1 plus L2 the whole upon L1 minus L2. How to determine internal resistance of the cell small r? Small r can be taken as capital R, that is shunt resistance into E1 upon V minus 1. This can be taken as capital R as it is into ratio of balancing lengths L1 upon L2 minus 1 as it is. बच्चों, ये सब कुछ हमने हमारे रिसेंट लेक्चर्स में पढ़ा हुआ है। अब मुझे आपको बताना है इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर। उसके पहले हम लोग टाइप्स ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर का नॉलेज गेन कर लेंगे। आज हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? टाइप्स ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर। उसके बाद क्या पढ़ना है? इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर। Mainly we have two types of potentiometer, rotary potentiometer and linear potentiometer. First type of potentiometer, rotary potentiometer. Best example rotary potentiometer का हम consider कर सकते हैं volume controller which is available in stereo and other music playing devices, जहां पे rotating knob को use करके we can control the supply to the speaker. This is that knob बच्चों। एक पॉइंट हम क्लियरली समझ ले, रोटरी पोटेंशियोमीटर एंड लीनियर पोटेंशियोमीटर operates as the same, but the only difference is that rotary potentiometer converts rotary motion into varying resistance, while linear potentiometer converts linear motion into varying resistance. Accordingly दोनों को नाम दिया गया है rotary potentiometer and linear potentiometer. Total it has got three terminals, terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. One more time students, rotary potentiometer has got total three terminals, terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. लेफ्ट में जो फोटोग्राफ है उसे देखिए, थ्री टर्मिनल्स 1, 2, 3. राइट में जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है उसे देखिए, सेम थ्री टर्मिनल्स 1, 2, 3. The rotary potentiometer consists of two terminal contacts, pin number 1 and pin number 3, with uniform resistance. It is placed in the shape of a semicircle and the middle terminal, that is pin number 2, is connected to the resistance through a sliding contact called as wiper. And बच्चों, ये जो वाइपर होता है, it is attached to that particular rotating knob. हम नॉब को रोटेट करेंगे, वाइपर यानी स्लाइडिंग कॉन्टैक्ट मूव करेगा अक्रॉस द रेजिस्टेंस, which in turn varies the resistance of the potentiometer. आउटपुट किसके अक्रॉस लेना है? द आउटपुट इज टेकन बिटवीन one of the terminals of the semicircle, maybe 1, maybe 3, and the terminal attached to the sliding contact, that is terminal 2. ये आपके रोटरी पोटेंशियोमीटर का कंस्ट्रक्शन. नाउ लेट मी शो यू द जनरल सिंबल ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर. दो टर्मिनल कॉन्टैक्ट्स कौन से हैं? पिन 1 एंड पिन 3. मिडल टर्मिनल कौन सा है? पिन 2, which is connected to the resistance. So this is general symbol of a potentiometer. What are the applications of rotary potentiometer? First application, ticket barriers. Ticket barriers which require a ticket to be scanned before opening use rotary potentiometers to ensure that the gate is open only for the allocated amount of time. This is very common nowadays at metro stations. Next application, marine vehicle systems. Rotary position sensors are used within the steering systems of some marine vehicles, including submarines. Second type of potentiometer, linear potentiometer. बच्चों, linear potentiometer has a similar function as that of rotary potentiometer, but instead of semicircular resistance, यहाँ पे होने वाला है लीनियर रेजिस्टर विथ अ स्लाइडिंग की. कनेक्शंस कैसे करना है? ये जो लीनियर रेजिस्टर के दो टर्मिनल्स है, उनके अक्रॉस हमें सोर्स कनेक्ट करना है, दैट इज इनपुट वोल्टेज. The output is taken between the sliding contact, that is wiper, and any one end of the linear resistor. Beta, any one. Students, we did first type of potentiometer, rotary potentiometer, then second type of potentiometer, linear potentiometer, and frankly speaking, rotary potentiometer explain करने के लिए मुझे ज़्यादा time लगा, and linear potentiometer hardly took some time. This is because of the fact that linear potentiometer has a similar function as that of rotary potentiometer, but instead of semicircular resistance, there will be a linear resistor with sliding contact in our linear potentiometer. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन में ही डिफरेंस है बस. अभी बच्चों हम लोग फाइनली एप्लीकेशंस देख लेते हैं ऑफ आवर लीनियर पोटेंशियोमीटर. फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लीनियर पोटेंशियोमीटर, प्रोफेशनल माउंटेन बाइक्स. Linear potentiometers are used for measuring suspension fork and absorbing frame shock. Next application, steering systems. On agricultural machinery, linear potentiometers have been used for precise measurement in steering systems. Next is motorsport applications. Within motorsport applications, linear potentiometers have been successfully used for ride height measurement, steering angle measurement, gear shift, suspension, and throttle control on either 2 or 4 wheel vehicles.